The news broke like thunder across the world. China unveils mega construction machine. World leaders stunned, read the headlines. TVs in every corner of the globe carried the story. In Washington, the urgency was clear. Phones rang, voices rose, and the White House Situation Room buzzed with tension. Inside, the President of the United States sat with advisors. The press secretary handed over a breaking news report. The headline was bold and impossible to ignore. Everyone leaned in as a video played, showing a machine the size of a small building rolling across a huge construction site in China. The president's eyebrows shot up. "Are we sure this is real?" he asked, voice tight with concern. Advisors scrambled for answers. The room felt smaller, the atmosphere tense. It was obvious this news had everyone on edge. The world had not seen anything like this before. The president wanted to know more, and fast. The age of mega machines had just begun, and China was leading the charge. This machine was not just big, it was massive, almost 30 meters tall and 100 meters long. It looked like a cross between a skyscraper crane and a moving city. Its steel arms reached out like fingers, each one lifting, carrying, or welding giant slabs of metal with ease. The body of the machine moved on special tracks, gliding smoothly across uneven ground. Its main cabin was packed with computers and cameras. Operators inside watched everything on huge screens, controlling the machine with joysticks and touchpads. The whole system worked in perfect harmony. What made it special was its power and precision. It could lift more than 5,000 tons in one go, enough to raise an entire bridge section. Its sensors and AI systems checked every move, keeping workers safe and projects on track. Lights and alarms flashed, warning of any problem before it happened. With this machine, China could build towers, bridges, and stadiums at record speed. Its size and strength were jaw-dropping, but its brain, smart technology, was what truly set it apart. The president watched the footage again, eyes wide. "How did they do this?" he whispered, almost to himself. His top science advisor leaned in, pointing out the machine's features. "Look at the size, the automated controls, even the self-repair system." Few things surprised the president, but this machine was different. He remembered America's biggest cranes and diggers, the pride of U.S. industry. They looked small next to China's new giant. The president felt a mix of worry and respect. He knew what this meant. China was changing the game. His team worked fast. They called the Pentagon, NASA, and the Department of Energy. How had they missed this? Could the U.S. catch up? What did this mean for big projects in America? The president wanted answers, and he wanted them now. The president stood up, facing the team. "Find out everything you can," he ordered. "We need to know how this works, and what it means for us." The race had begun. In China, the mood was electric. Engineers cheered as the machine rolled out of its hangar. Reporters crowded around, snapping photos and asking questions. "This is a proud day for China," said lead engineer Jiang Wei, smiling for the cameras. The team celebrated years of hard work and late nights. Chinese social media lit up with pride. Videos of the machine went viral. "The future is here," users wrote. "China leads the world." News outlets in Shanghai and Beijing ran live coverage, showing every move the machine made. Across the globe, experts watched closely. In Germany, engineers compared notes on the machine's AI. In Japan, designers marveled at the smart sensors and solar panels. Construction companies in Brazil, India, and South Africa asked, "How can we get one?" The world was impressed and a little nervous. This was more than a machine. It was a symbol of China's rising power in technology and industry. America has always been proud of its machines. From mighty cranes in New York to tunnel borers in Seattle, U.S. builders use some of the best equipment in the world. But you know, China's new mega machine was in a league of its own. U.S. machines are large, but honestly, few can match the size or power of China's latest creation. American cranes might lift a few hundred tons at a time. China's machine could lift thousands. US systems use advanced computers, but China's AI was even smarter, reacting in real time to changing conditions. Europe and Japan also build strong machines. Germany's tunnel diggers are famous, and Japan's tower cranes are world-class. But the Chinese machine brought it all together: size, speed, and intelligence. It was like a supercomputer on wheels. This was a wake-up call for the world. China had set a new standard. Now everyone wanted to catch up. On the construction site, the machine was a sight to see. It moved slowly, but every part worked with perfect timing. One arm lifted huge steel beams, swinging them high through the air. Another arm welded joints, sparks flying in the sun. Workers watched from a safe distance behind barriers. The machine could finish in hours what normally took days. It built a bridge section, then turned and laid the next piece in place. Teams of engineers checked the screens inside the control room, making sure every move was exact. Drones buzzed overhead, filming the action for TV. The footage showed the machine creating massive structures almost like magic. People cheered as a bridge rose from nothing, finished in record time. The machine worked day and night, barely stopping for maintenance. Its power and precision changed everything on the site. Old methods seemed slow and clumsy in comparison. How did China build such a marvel? Well, it all started with bold ideas and, honestly, some heavy investment. Top universities and tech firms came together, sharing knowledge and skills like never before. The government really backed the project, offering both funds and resources. Engineers used the latest technology: AI, robotics, 3D printing, and advanced materials. The machine's steel frame was strong but light, thanks to a new alloy. Its AI brain learned from every job, getting better each time. Even the tracks used smart sensors to keep the machine balanced. China's factories built each part with care. Robots welded thousands of joints, and quality checks used lasers, not just human eyes. The final assembly took place in a massive hangar, with teams working around the clock. The result? A machine that looked like science fiction, but it was real, and honestly, ready to change the world. This mega machine is more than a headline. It's actually changing how the world builds. Projects that once took years now finish in just months. Bridges, towers, stadiums. Every job is faster, safer, and cheaper. Construction companies save money. Fewer workers are needed, and the machine does the most dangerous jobs. AI keeps mistakes low, and sensors spot problems before they get big. Cities can grow faster, and new infrastructure can appear almost overnight. Other countries are definitely taking notes. Some want to buy the Chinese machine. Others want to build their own. The race for better construction has begun. Old ways are fading. The future is automated, smart, and strong. This is just the beginning. The industry will never be the same. People everywhere are paying attention. Leaders worry about who will control the technology. Companies want to use it for their own projects. Workers wonder what jobs will look like in the future. Some experts warn about risks. What if machines fail? What happens to workers who lose their jobs? Others see hope. Mega machines could fix roads, build hospitals, and help after disasters. Poor areas could get new schools and bridges quickly. The UN and World Bank are interested. They see a chance to help developing countries grow faster. But they also know that technology must be shared safely and fairly. The world is watching, and the stakes are high. This breakthrough could shape the future for everyone. China's mega construction machine is more than just a marvel of engineering. It's a symbol of a new era. The world has seen what is possible when technology, ambition, and teamwork come together. The president's shock was real, and so was the excitement everywhere. This machine will push others to innovate. The race is on to build faster, safer, and smarter. Lives will change as cities and countries grow in new ways. For now, China leads, but the impact will spread far beyond its borders. The world's builders have a new goal: and the future has never looked more exciting. This is not just news, it's history in the making. And everyone is watching what happens next.